Mushroom, pea and lentil shepherd's pie. Prepare the ingredients. Roughly chop 6 large potatoes with their skin on and place them into a saucepan. Cover with water and bring to the boil. Simmer until the potatoes are soft. Finely dice 2 onions. Peel and chop 2 cloves of garlic. Grate 3 carrots. Slice 8 mushrooms. Heat a pot over a high heat. Add the onion and garlic and saute until soft and golden brown. Add a little stock to deglaze the pan. Add the mushrooms. Add 3 cups of cooked brown lentils and stir. Add 3 cups of frozen peas. Add the grated carrots. Add half a cup of wholemeal flour. Add 4 cups of vegetable stock and stir well. Add a quarter of a cup of soy sauce and stir really well until all the mixture is combined. Bring to the boil, stir occasionally until the sauce thickens. When the mixture comes to the boil, reduce the heat to low and stir. Cover with a lid and cook for about 15 minutes, stirring from time to time. When the potatoes are soft, strain the water off the potatoes, then mash potatoes with the potato masher. Add 1 cup of soy or nut milk. Add salt and pepper to taste and mash. With a wooden spoon, beat really well to a smooth and slightly chunky mash. Taste for seasoning. Add some more salt if needed. Once the mixture has been cooked for 15 minutes, remove the lid. Add a quarter of a cup of vegetarian Worcestershire sauce and stir well. This smells so good. Then let simmer for 5 minutes with the lid removed. To serve, place the mixture in a casserole dish and top with the mashed potatoes and serve.